So here we are going to demonstrate about Seesaw based power generation system. The major components of our project are UCB bearings over here, which is connected, placed in 20 mm bright shaft rod, where it is connected to the dynamo. So generally dynamo is contains a 6 mm shaft, and there is a spur gearbox over here. So the gear ratio gets divided over here, and it is given as an input to the permanent magnet DC motor. The advantage of permanent magnet DC motor is when you move it clockwise, it is going to generate the voltage. When it is moving anti-clockwise, then also it is going to generate the voltage due to the armature, and there are two permanent magnets around the armature. So with the help of this magnetic field, it is going to generate the voltage. So that generated voltage is stored into the battery by using and charging circuit, which consists of an bridge rectifier, 1000 microfarads capacitor, and there is an 4 volts 1.5 lead acid battery connected in series. It becomes an 12 volts. So when you turn on the switch, the load gets on, you off, it is get off. So here we have connected it in series, so where you can increase the voltage. When you connect in parallel, the voltage remains same and ampere rating gets increased. So to charge the larger amount of battery, you have to connect in series, else you have to connect in parallel. So this is how we have utilized and simple spur gear mechanism, and while you are rotating to and fro, fast. So like this, it is going to generate the voltage. Thank you.